Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make this slip knot really fast. Then I'm going to show you really slow. I'm going to do fast first because usually, I just want to get to the point when I see a video. Alright, so that's a slip knot. Put the tail in your hand like this. Then you want to wrap the yarn around your finger twice. You can hold it with this back finger, your middle finger there. Take the back loop, you see here, and put it to the front. Then you take this back loop now and put it to the front, but now over your finger. So now you want to pull on your working yarn to tighten it. Alright, and then you can slip your hook in, just like that, and you can tighten it a little bit. This is your tail, and this is your working yarn, the yarn that you'll be using to develop a project. You just twist that around, put the tail end in your hand, that way it's on the right side. And then you can get started. Chaining and going crazy. Alright,